Hey guys, Alexeja here, and today we're going to be dyeing my hair again. We are going to be dyeing it Halloween themed. I have my best friend Savannah here, and she's going to be helping me dye my hair. First things first, we got to bleach it. I have the usual Colorista all over bleach. If you want to see how I use this, I'll leave it in the playlist below. We will have to get all of the brown out and try to get some of this extra blue out. I want to try to get it light enough so we can see our Halloween themed hair. I have two colors from Arctic Fox. I have Girls Night and Porange. Now I do not know if my camera focused. It does not always focus, as I say many times before. So we're going.
This one's my favorite.
They're very bright. We have orange.
Ooh.
And Girls Night. So to get this light, nice, vibrant color that I am wanting, we have this. So hopefully we can get enough of this blue out that will show up.
I hope so.
Like that, yeah. So cross our fingers and we will hope that it goes that well.
Wait, this finger didn't do it right.
Cross our fingers and we will hope it goes well. So let's get into the bleaching process first. Okay guys, so here's the completed Halloween hair. What do you think? I really like it. I think Savannah did an awesome job helping me do my hair. I like the purple and the orange. The tips are a little bit yellowish, but I still really like it. I'm gonna just put the Porange back over it and then brighten it back up. I'll probably just keep touching up this hairstyle so it will stay for the month of October. I really like it. I got these cute little bows from Walmart in the Halloween section to match my hair, and my friend bought me this like head bopper thing that's like got purple and orange on it as well. So like I got so many headbands and bows now that match my hair. So I'm gonna leave it like this for a while. I really like it. What do you guys think? If you do like it, please give this video a thumbs up and let me know you liked it. And let Savannah know you liked it as well. Please comment below if you would like to see any other hairstyles or anything else you would like to see on my channel. Please just comment that in the section down there below. Anyway, my name is Alexeja. I had fun doing this hair with you guys, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!